Where do you see this live production going over the next 5 to 10 years? I'd love to hear your opinion, Ian.
Oh, wow. It's really difficult to know. I mean, things are moving so quickly. I mean, audio is like the darling format at the moment, isn't it? I mean, you know, there's Clubhouse, there's Twitter Spaces, Facebook are doing their own thing now. And, you know, so everything is about that. And, you know, podcasting is big. There are some apps now that allow you to listen to podcasts in a community, so you can actually live chat. There's some Clubhouse don't do this themselves, but there are some like third-party tools that integrate with Clubhouse that allow you to have a live chat facility. And so I think we're going to have more of that. We're going to have more of this community feel to it, because like loneliness is like a big thing. And I think entrepreneurs in particular, I think many of us enjoy what we do because we like that space and we like to do what we want to be our own boss. Okay. But there's still, we need other people. I need, this is why masterminds are so cool, so helpful, and being with other people. And so I think we're going to have more community tools, collaborative tools. I think Facebook and other platforms are already doing this. Audio is becoming a big thing too. So, if you had asked me this a couple of years ago, I might have said like 360 video, 3D video, like the real techie stuff. Mm-hmm. But now I think it's more to do with the human. It's putting the human front and center of these platforms. And I'm excited about that because ultimately, we can get obsessed by the tech and think about that. It's ultimately about communication, about that consistency, but also about community as well. So I think that's where we're going. What that will actually be, I don't know. But it's pretty cool to be alive at this time and see all this cool stuff happening.
Thanks for watching Mark Savant Media. Here we're going to help you create a better content in less time and turn that attention into income. If you love this video, you're going to love these videos here. Click the one. Me and my team specially selected this just for you. Click the link. Check out the video. I'll catch you here next time on Mark Savant Media.